In June 2024, the Biden-Harris administration released its National Strategy for a Sustainable Ocean Economy. This strategy addresses the U.S. commitment to develop a plan for sustainable ocean management. As a member of the high-level panel for a sustainable ocean economy, the strategy builds on the Biden-Harris administration's historic commitments to bold climate and ocean action, including through our Ocean Climate Action Plan. It highlights key opportunities to use the ocean without using it up, especially in a dynamic, rapidly changing environment. The strategy considers what sustainable ocean management means across all levels of government and for a broad diversity of sectors. Because all people should have a voice in decisions that affect their lives, we developed the strategy with input from tribal nations and other indigenous peoples, territorial and state governments, community advocates, nonprofit organizations, academic institutions, industry partners, and other members of the public. The resulting strategy responds to this input and aspires to deliver sustainably and equitably what people say they want and need from the ocean: healthy seafood and abundant wildlife, clean energy and green shipping, clean beaches and sustainable recreational opportunities, good-paying jobs and economic opportunities, climate modulation and opportunities for mitigation, solace, renewal, wonder and awe, cultural practices and values, opportunities for education, discovery, and exploration, and vibrant, healthy, and resilient coastal communities. As a proud member of the Ocean Panel, we believe that effective protection, sustainable production, and equitable prosperity go hand in hand. Our National Ocean Strategy is firmly grounded in science, evidence, and knowledge. This knowledge and our strategy reflect a new, emerging narrative for the ocean. The ocean is not too big to fail, nor is it too big to fix, but it is too central to our well-being to ignore.